I think for one thing to create better awareness of what CEL stands for, to be able to recruit some e-representatives to help us in our cause. Those are the two big things. Basically collaborators. Yeah. I think for one thing, for the CEL, I think it's to help NIE take the lead back from schools when it comes to educational technologies. I think we have lost ground. We need to initiate new things along the lines of social learning, open learning, mobile learning. Show pre-service teachers how to do these things so that when they go to school, based on an effective model, they kind of start change. Rather than to let the schools take the lead and then we follow. We need to take the lead back.
Google Apps is a suite of applications which is free. So here I'm showing how to use Google Sites. Okay, an example here of how Google Sites can be used for e-portfolio. And like I mentioned, because Google Sites is free, students when they leave NIE, they can continue using. And it's more of ownership. They own the space instead of NIE giving them a platform to work on it. When they move on to schools, they might discontinue if it's not their own. So that's what I'm trying to push here, Google Sites.
So is this open to public TE21?
Yes, you can make it open to public or you can have a private site.
I'm here to talk to you a little bit about how you can use your mobile device to use a device which is readily available by all your students today to do simple things like blogging, reflections, or even use it as an e-portfolio to journal what you have learned over the years. So basically we are here today to showcase very quickly how you can use an app like this. Okay, it's a free app, WordPress is free. So with something like this, you can very quickly write something. As you can see, it's showing there. You can add media. Right now I don't have any photos here. Okay, and you can quickly preview what is it that you have uploaded.
Okay, I'm showcasing the Genius iSMS. Is also known as the interactive SMS. This feature is an extension of the Blackboard system. Lecturer can use this system to get instant feedback from the students at the instant or after the teaching. Yeah.
This is our CEL's Twitter page. Well, it's actually the Twitter feed. So everything that is being tweeted by CEL is reflected here, and it is also reflected on our CEL Facebook, on our wall.
Okay. Basically, this is Open Cobalt and virtual world platform for interactive whiteboard. Specifically, that is. So what happens is that this platform comes with a terrain and a skybox, and it encourages students or learners to construct their own world to demonstrate their knowledge or skills in a particular subject area. So basically, we are using free 3D models from Google 3D Warehouse, and of course, if students want to create their own models, they use Google SketchUp.
I think we take things step by step. I mean, because we're in the area of educational technologies, these things change as well. They change so fast. We can only anticipate so much. So I think a lot of what we do is emergent. But one strategy I think that will apply in any context of change is to create buy-in from the part of all the people at CEL, as well as our stakeholders. And then to basically build bridges, to win the people's hearts and minds first, and then get them to do the dirty work.